Hi, friends. So we made it on to our next unit, Unit 6, Lesson 1. Um, so we're going to talk about the operation rules, which really involves what do we do with those negatives, the dreaded, awful negatives that everyone never knows if you multiply or divide by a negative or add or subtract by a negative. Is your answer negative? All right, we're going through those rules. So there is a trick for multiplication and division. It's called pass, and it means positive answers, same sign. So if it's the same sign for both of the numbers, then it's a positive answer, but it only works for multiplication and division. We're going to have to go back to our old-fashioned, what we learned in elementary school for the addition and subtraction, okay? So let's look at some of the multiplication and division with this new rule we just discovered. So it says -5 times -7. So it says positive answers for same sign. So same sign, negative, same sign, negative. So according to pass, it should be a positive answer. And it is. It's positive 35. So remember, same sign, if it's multiplication or division, means positive answers. Positive answers, same sign. Remember, pass. So -12 divided by -2. Same sign, negative, same sign, negative. According to pass, since they have the same sign, they should be positive, and it is. Okay, so same sign, it's positive. All right, so now we're moving on to the rules we learned in elementary school with addition and subtraction. So I'm just refreshing those rules. We still mix them up all the time. So let's just think about this for a second. So if we had a -5 and we had a double negative on top, so we say -5 minus a -5. What happens to a double negative? It's the same thing as saying what? Plus. Okay, so we should remember that. If you have a -5, if it's a negative and a negative, you might as well just put the plus sign, +5, and that's going to equal 10. Most of the times in elementary school, what you were taught is, I'm just going to erase this up here, is whenever you have a negative sign to do plus a negative. So pretend it was just -5 minus 5. You would have converted that into -5 plus a -5, right? That's probably what you were taught in elementary school. But the problem with this one is you have a double negative on top. So when you have a double negative, it turns into a positive. So you got to remember that with addition and subtraction. So if you have a double negative, it turns into a positive. We're going to practice some problems. Okay. So you have a -4 and you're subtracting 3 more from it. So you're already on, we got this number line. I'm already at a -4 and I'm subtracting 3 more from it. So I'm going 1, 2, 3. So I'm subtracting 3 more from it. So that would be -5, -6, -7. So you're still remaining negative. Okay. So this is -7. All right. We already went through this rule. If it's a double negative, it turns positive. So that's really saying 6 plus 1 equals 7. This is the pass rule. So the pass rule states, again, if it's of the same sign, then the answer is positive. So 5 times 6 is 30, and it would be positive because it's the same sign and it's multiplication. All right, so why don't you practice those operation rules? And if you have any questions, just please reach out to me. All right, have a great day now.